I'm upset. It's Christmas morning. I went to bed at 3 a.m. These people had the audacity to come knock on my door at 5 a.m. saying, "We're ready for gifts." Call me Scrooge, call me the Grinch, because that's how I'm feeling today. But anyways, I'm gonna vlog Christmas for the most part. And let's see what happens. Yeah. When I opened it, I was just disappointed because I thought it would have prompts, but it's just like you can journal.
That's fine. I have
a plan and
nice. Oh,
that's for your desk at work.
Thank you.
Wait, let's see it.
That's cute. Nice. I can put this on my desk.
A lot of the pictures didn't come in the mail yet, but that's what I had so far.
Oh, Ken, I'm holding Lucy.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
I was like, what is she holding? Okay. See this video. They were like, why is mom so loud? Yeah, y'all know who it is. Y'all know who it is. Beautiful. Ooh. Minutes. It wasn't too bad to roll.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's recording, you guys? Because they're pajamas.
Oh, you could do like a selfie. That's cute.
Yep.
So you gotta upload it to your camera? I mean, your computer?
Oh, yeah, we're still
Yes.
Your mom went.
Really hard.
On what? Okay, you're gonna wave bye to the camera. Bye. Jeez. Say bye, Marie. Bye. I guess. Good morning. We're going to Coastal Carolina, Myrtle Beach. I'm in the car now, and a 6-hour drive. So we're gonna see. And it's zoomed in. Oh my god, I keep zooming in. But yeah, let's go. I want this trip to be really rejuvenating and like it's like before the new year, into the new year, and I just want it to feel refreshing. You know, I want to just shed a lot of things near this beach. I want to release a lot of things. I just want to, I don't know, really cleansing trip, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's go. It's 6 hours. We gotta go. We gotta go. With my little camcorder, get the sunset. It's pretty. Yeah, I have oceanfront.
Hold on, let me get here.
Why does it look like lemonade? Cheers to your new apartment. Ah, period, bruh. Hello, it's day one in Myrtle Beach. We have the room, we have the ocean, and we're just working remotely. As you can tell, about to watch a movie. Chilling. Let me show you the room. I think I already recorded this, but here's the mirror. Here's the mirror. Kitchen, bed, stuff, door, patio. Vibes. Y'all see the purse. Y'all see it. And then there's beautiful beach. And it's me wearing the same pants I wore yesterday. You know what I'm saying? And I saw Avatar last night. It was alright. It was okay. Mixed reviews. That's all I gotta say. Let me get to work though. I'll holler at ya. It's cute. Yeah. I'm zooming in on the grits. This looks good. Alright, talk later. Bye. Bye. Love you too. Bye.
Children, you know what I'm saying? My name, Terrence, to Washington.
Say hi. Woo. Y'all are adorable.
Yeah.
Y'all are so cute. Say hi to the camera. You know, like in 2006, our mom was in the video, we're just waving because the husbands be like, look, honey. They're like, wow, look at our little room. We have a little mirror, but it's okay. Look at. Hey, y'all. I'm showing your kids this. They'll be like, Mom, no. Hey, kid. Oh, damn. Hey, kids. It's your aunt, Trey and your mom, Isabel, don't do your homework. Why is she looking at me? We're gonna go out because I haven't met your father yet. So is he cute? Is Daddy fine?
He better be fine.
And watch the little girl be like, no, Daddy's not cute. He got a beer belly.
Not a beer belly.
Beer belly, bro.
Daddy hit a jump.
He sounds good. You can tell he's funny. You can just tell he's
Oh, he's fine.
Don't. There's a good sign. Don't. Let me turn this camera.